Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gadgets. Today, we're exploring what many are calling the best 3D scanner on the market, the Revopoint Mini 2. This handheld 3D scanner is designed for precision and ease of use, making it an ideal tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the Revopoint Mini 2 stand out in the world of 3D scanning. The Revopoint Mini 2 is a next-generation 3D scanner that has been upgraded to provide even better performance than its predecessor. With a stunning precision of up to 0.02 mm and scanning speeds reaching up to 16 frames per second, this device is capable of capturing the most intricate details of your objects. Whether you're scanning small dental models or intricate crafts, the Mini 2 promises high-quality scans with a level of detail that's hard to beat. At the heart of the Revopoint Mini 2 is its industrial-grade blue light technology. This Class 1 blue light is not only safe for skin but also effective at filtering out ambient light interference, which is crucial for achieving accurate scans. This advanced technology ensures that you get clear and precise 3D models, regardless of the lighting conditions in your workspace. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 is its impressive scanning range. With a single capture range of 167 mm by 146 mm, you can scan larger objects more effectively. The scanner also includes an RGB camera with enhanced aperture and flash LEDs, which help capture intricate textures and colors, giving your 3D models a lifelike appearance. Additionally, the 6 flash LEDs enhance marker recognition, allowing for smoother scans of featureless objects. Using the Mini 2 is straightforward and intuitive. The device features an inertial measurement unit, or IMU, which significantly improves tracking and eliminates errors caused by shaky hands or fast movements. Starting scans and adjusting exposure is made simple with 3 tactile buttons, making the operation feel seamless and natural. When it comes to connectivity, the Revopoint Mini 2 excels with upgraded options. You can choose between a Type-C USB connection for plug-and-play scanning or utilize Wi-Fi 6 for mobile scanning capabilities. This versatility allows you to easily integrate the scanner into your workflow, whether you're at a desk or on the go. Accompanying the scanner is the free and user-friendly scanning software, RevoScan. This software handles everything from scanning to post-processing. You can export your 3D models in popular formats such as STL, Fly, and OBJ, making them ready for use in various 3D printing and modeling applications. Portability is another key aspect of the Revopoint Mini 2. Weighing in at only 175 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold, allowing for extended use without fatigue. The design is compact enough to easily fit into a bag, making it perfect for professionals who need to travel or work in different environments. User experience is further enhanced by the fact that scanning results can vary based on the material and color of the scanned object. For the best results, Revopoint recommends using scanning spray to improve tracking and detail capture. This ensures that users can achieve the highest quality scans, regardless of the objects they're working with. In summary, the Revopoint Mini 2 is a remarkable 3D scanner that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. Its exceptional precision, fast scanning speeds, and versatile connectivity options make it a top choice for anyone looking to create high-quality 3D models. Whether you're in the dental field, working on small crafts, or engaging in product design, this scanner is designed to meet your needs. Thank you for watching this review of the Revopoint Mini 2 on Product Critique. If you're interested in taking your 3D scanning to the next level, this device is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and updates. See you next time.